your way at 2:30 this afternoon. The Senses Spa Raffle in Luna Lounge, located dead
Once
Mission.
outside your stateroom,
Now, for those of
signs
you staying
displayed
with
in the
young ones this
corridors and
cruise, if you have not
staircases
yet
will
verified your
direct you
child's
to your
registration
assembly station.
or not yet
You'll
registered
also
your
find
child to our
crew
youth
members
activity
stationed along
spaces,
the way
you can
to
do so
assist
now
you.
at Disney's Oceanview
Prior
Club,
to the general
located
alarm,
at Deck 2
guests
midship.
with children in
You
youth
will need to have the
activity
Disney
secured
Cruise Line Navigate
programming
app
will be
downloaded to your
notified to
phone or
collect
personal
their
device
children
to take part
immediately.
in our
Should
secure
you be
programming.
unable to
So once
collect your
again, if you
children
haven't already
prior to the
downloaded it,
sounding of the
now
general
is a
alarm,
great
your
time to do
children
so.
will be brought directly to you
For our
at
guests
your
aged
assembly
18
station
and older
by our
wishing
youth
to experience
activities
the ultimate
counselors.
in fine
During
dining
an
experience,
actual
you have a
emergency,
great
the ship's
opportunity this
elevators
afternoon
are not
to see if there is any
operational,
last minute
so please
availability to
remember
be
to
able to
use the
dine in
stairs.
one of our adult
Specially trained
exclusive
crew members
restaurants.
will assist
Palace
guests who are
Steakhouse
not
and
able to
Enchanté.
climb stairs.
There is a nominal fee
Once
for
you
these
reach your
experiences,
assembly station,
and at the
you will
moment
be
the
met
team
by
are
crew
taking
members who
reservations
will check
on a
you
first
in
come,
and
first
give
served
you
basis
additional
in Triton
information
Lounge,
and
located
instructions.
35 forward.
If at any time during your cruise
This
you
is another
require
friendly
urgent
reminder that our
medical
mandatory
attention, you
emergency
should
guest
contact the
drill
health
will
center
begin at
directly
3:30
by
this
calling the
afternoon.
medical emergency
All
line
guests,
on
regardless of
your
age
phone.
or how many times
Remember
you
to
may have
dial
sailed with us previously, are required to
7-3000.
attend.
If
Welcome
you
to all
require
our beautiful
non-urgent
Disney Wish.
medical
I
assistance,
truly wish
you
you a
can call
magical
the
cruise
health center
vacation
from
and
any
look forward to
ship
seeing you
telephone,
around the
or
ship.
visit the ship's health center and run forward on the port side. The health center is only accessible via the ship's forward guest elevators. Please contact the